Oh, hi. Just making some changes, getting Walter ready for some summer holidays. So I'm changing out the lights. Yeah, I got some new lights. So the lights that I got, as you know, we turn these on and we got light here, but they're not all that bright, even though I got LED bulbs in there. So I bought these new ones, and motorhome lights. That's what they are, motorhome lights. And I'm changing out 6 of them, 6 bulbs, lights that I've been changing out. Now I've already put some in already. I'll show you them, and then we'll get back to changing this one out. So this is the lights that I got. Like I said, changing out 6 of them. There's a total of 120 LED lights in each one of these. Input voltage of 12 to 24 volt. And the power that each one of these takes, it uses, is 10 watts. So it's not kind of a cloudy day today, so the batteries have gone down a little bit, but and the model of these is SMD2835 motorhome lights. I got one at the entrance. I replaced the 2 over the table. Now this one's on, and it's dimmable. I can dim it. Can also change the color. And now let me install the last one. Okay, going to remove this one first. What am I going to do with these ones? Well, maybe somebody needs some lights in their, maybe somebody needs some lights in their motorhome, and so if they want to take them off their hands, my hands, they're welcome to it. There we go. I'll go get some cutters and we'll cut them off, cut them wires out of there. Got this handy little tool to strip the insulation off. And just like that. We'll just connect these wires together. Nice and simple. Check this to see if it works. Well, of course it does. Okay, but I can't put the screws in there with the light shining on me. It makes it blind, so you just press and hold and it shuts off. Now I got some screws. Since I got nobody helping me hold these up. Okay, the problem is getting the screw started from the first one. It's a bit of a problem. just gotta get that first one started. Once I get the first one started and get it in there, and the rest should be easy. Like I said, the rest should be easy. There, 4 screws in, 4 to go. Wire's got pinched in there, I'm not sure, but it's going in, so it should be good. And 1 more screw. Does it work? Oh yeah, nice and bright. Now the old ones, not sure what I'll do with them. Maybe somebody needs them. There we go, much brighter in here. What a difference. Yeah, having them bulbs, them new RV bulbs in here. Yeah, got the one at the door. And then I got the 2 over the table. I don't know what kind of difference it made drawing from the batteries. Getting 13.5 off the solar panels, 0.9 amps. And with all the lights on, the batteries are registering at 13.4 volts. Kind of cloudy outside, so looking at what the solar panels are giving us, they're at 13.3 volts, and they're providing us 0.8 amps of power. And up to now, they've shared 11.6 kilowatts of power since the last time I set it. And the battery's down in storage is 13.2 volts. So, and temperature outside right now, 10 degrees. So there you go. Lights are installed. Got more brightness. And that is nice. Now I installed 1500 watt converter, so I can plug some electrical things in it when we're dry camping, when we don't have power. However, I got to take that and move it. I want to move it up there. So that's going to be my next project. Oh, hi, I better shut this off so I can talk to you. As you see, I was making some changes here, and I was showing you before. So this is another day, but, you know, gotta use the portable shark to clean up the area before I put things back in here. As you can see, I made some changes here. Let me show you. Just grab the camera here. Okay, so you can see that I moved the inverter. Moved the inverter over to a different location, and that kind of helps when we go dry camping. 1500 watt inverter to help out. That we can plug a coffee pot into it. We can plug the toaster into it, I believe. I think it's under the wattage that this thing can handle. So I figured I kind of spared you showing you when I did change the cabling on that. I had to get some longer cables, as the ones that came with it were a little bit too short. Managed to find some on Amazon. And so now that I've vacuumed that out, I can use that area for some storage. Washer toss. Badminton. We've got a portable power supply. Solar string lights. First aid kit. Some binoculars. Raincoats. Couple umbrellas, air pump for the e-bikes, oh, some camping forks, and we got a little bit more room in there for something else that I need to put in there. Okay, so now let's show you what else I'm planning on doing. I still got room for some other things, but for now I'll put the seat back. I don't know how the lighting is for that, so maybe I can move this down, but cut off some of the light. The other reason I wanted to move that inverter, it allows me to lay down like this and watch the TV that I installed there last year. For when our rainy days, we can watch some DVDs. So this would be a good time to hit the like button for two reasons. It helps this channel and it lets you know that you have watched this video. And like you said, it's a good time to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. So the awning has a few issues. So as you can see, it is separating. It actually needs a new awning, but we can't afford that right now, so we're going to just try and that'll be my next step, is to fix that up. Okay, there, I got it done. Did some patching on the awning. Hopefully it's good. Quite a few wrinkles in that, when I put it down, didn't have that many wrinkles, but now it does, so I don't know what's with that. Yeah, but it should be good. So the other thing I got to do is get the pump hooked up to the water tank. And that's inside here. Down inside there. So put some light on this situation. Looks like we haven't had any mice in here. Trap hasn't been triggered. And I gotta go over there and hook up the water. Okay, hopefully that's tight enough. Now it's time to put some water in the holding tank. Liters, 12 liters. I'll try about 30 liters to start. There we go, 30 liters. So everything's done. We've installed the motorhome lights, the LED lights for more brightness in our motorhome. We've put some water in the water tank and we're ready to travel. Thanks for watching and God bless.